Yo, 𝐷 over here, and today I got another luxury SUV for you. Check this out. Jaguar F-Pace. Okay, let's start from behind this time around. Electric tailgate. Well, of course, it's a luxury vehicle. We have big boot for all your barang-barang can put here. And of course, if you want to move house, this thing can drop, then becomes very big. Okay, let's close. Of course, auto. Now this stupid pillar blocked my way. Why you park here, pillar? Okay, next, let's see from behind. Beautiful black leather, red stitching everywhere, makes everything look very super sporty. Rear passenger aircon. Also, we got 2 USB ports and one 12 volt to charge all your things. And the seats electrically adjusted, incline. Very nice. Now we go in front. Also, red stitching is everywhere, and the cabin is very nice and beautiful. Also, the speaker is from Meridian. Okay, don't play. This is fancy. And of course, must show you the front. This car is absolutely gorgeous and looks very aggressive, very sporty. I like it very much. Now we're gonna go inside and have a look of what it looks like from driver's position. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. Very beautiful dashboard, classy and sporty at the same time with all this red stitching. I really think this is very nice. Even though it's such a small detail, it makes a lot of difference somehow. Okay, we got cup holders hidden here, gear selector, infotainment screen. My favorite place to put sunglasses. Oh yes. Okay, one thing quite not conventional I find in this car is the switches for your windows are located here, which I found at first a little bit, but after driving it just now, I actually realized it's very comfortable because you put your elbow here, so it's very easy to control. Also, if you notice, this slightly sloped. Really very comfortable to put your elbow here. Okay, very subtle ambient lighting. Also makes the car pop out. Yo, one more thing I just want to add. For Jaguar, the sitting position is one of the most comfortable of all the cars that I tried. And as you see, I tried a lot of cars already. Correct or not? So, what you guys think? About the price, this car is selling at only $128,800, which makes its Depre $23,000 cheapest in the market. This car is still left 3 years 10 months on the COE, so plenty of time for you to enjoy. Now, what you waiting for? Give 𝐷-𝐒𝐿 a call. I give you a good deal.